Hi ho, my fellow crafty friends. Today I'm unboxing my Jane Davenport order. Yes, I had to order something. That is, we'll get to that in a minute. First of all, chocolate, always a good addition to any supply. Now, I picked up her bookish eraser set because I just love anything miniature, and I will try it. I had to replace my unicorn in the watercolor set because I use it quite a bit. It's really good coverage, so I needed to replace that. And they did it in a way where I wouldn't lose it when I opened up my box. Which, yeah, there it is. So this is called the Palette Hotel, and it's made for making faces. This is how I used it. I do have a few of the making faces items. I liked it. It's Jane Davenport. Come on. All right, so I picked up the For Jane Girls stamp set because I want to try something with it, and when I film it, I'll refer to it. I was waiting for this. We were all waiting for this. The Watercolor Watch, which is called Art Time. It has replacement palettes because they're very, very thin. You get a little sticker. I don't know that I'll actually wear it as a watch unless, of course, I'm doing something outside and I don't have any place to lay down my palettes. So looking forward to doing that one. Oh, that's going to be so much fun. And it comes very nicely packaged. This is actually, aside from the Art Time watch, one of the things that I really was looking forward to getting. And it's called a Take a Dip glass pen. It is absolutely gorgeous. You'll see these pens other places, but when I purchase something like this, if I know that one of my favorite people is doing something and they have it in their supply set, I try to support the artists that I really, really like. And yes, I don't know what the cost is compared to what I had to pay, but it was worth it to me since I was getting an order here. It is very carefully packaged, and it is made from a dichroic glass. This is the ink bottle where you put your inks in it. It also has a little resting wave. I don't know what they actually call it, but that's what you can put the glass tip on. And just look at this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Even look at the fin. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. Now, I'll probably do a video on this as to working with it and how it feels. We all know I am not the greatest artist in the world, but we will try and see what we can do with it. Moving on. So with that, you need to have inks. I do have some inks, but I decided to pick up the Incredible Ink line. There are 12. She has them in unscented and scented, and you can use them in the pens, the watercolor brushes, Mr. bottles, even the daubers. They are not water soluble, so they are permanent once they dry, and therefore you can use other things on top of it and they won't spread, which I think is an awesome deal. Now I just have to find a place to put them where I can have easy access to them. That is always the biggest problem. This has to be the best thing. Every time I get something from her, I try to pick up one of her books. This is called the Beautiful Faces Mixed Media Workbook, and the pages are a variety of textures and feel. That's why you see me touch them, because it just is amazing to me. You can actually work in this book as if it was one of your art journals. It's already, gives you something to start with when you get in there. It's almost like a coloring book. That's the Happy Hour timesheet. I stopped real quick to take a look at that. I didn't really read it, so I was just amazed at the quality of the paper. She always signs her books when you get them from her. And I could not stop touching and feeling the different papers in here. I think it's mixed media paper, maybe watercolor, I don't know. That is like a sheet that you can cut up and paste in, and of course she gives you stickers to work with. Do you have any Jane books, and do you like them? Which one's your favorite? Thanks so much for being here, and make sure you stop in to see me using the pens. Take care, everybody. Till next time.